Hey everyone, hopefully you're having a great day. Today we're going to be talking about how to create your own information product for network marketing that you can sell either as a lead magnet or for actual money, even if you have no credibility, no results, and no anything. You're basically starting from zero. Sound good? Does this seem like a good video for you? Well, the new round of the Limited Lead Gen Funnel giveaway, all you have to do to enter is be a subscriber and leave a comment down below. So let's jump in. A lot of people don't develop their own lead magnets or products they can sell for network marketing because they don't have any credibility. I don't blame them whatsoever. You shouldn't be teaching anyone anything if you haven't achieved a result that you're trying to teach them. When I first started writing, emails and copy and stuff for network marketing, I had some results, but not really, massive results. Like I wasn't free. I didn't quit my job. Like I was really good at sponsoring, but that's all I was really good at. I wasn't really good at keeping a team together. I wasn't really good at actually quitting my job, all of those things. So I couldn't teach people those things, right? So I had to teach people what I actually had skill at. Now, at the time, it was very, very low, but I found a couple things I had skill at and I was able to write about those. So for instance, maybe you're a really good copywriter. Maybe you can talk about copywriting for network marketing. Maybe you're a really good video maker, right? Maybe you can teach video editing techniques for network marketers developing content. Maybe you're a really good analytics person. How to get the best results with your list from an analytics expert. Now, what if you don't have any of those things, right? What if you don't have really any strengths? And I get it because I've been here before. I've been here where I didn't have any really strengths. I didn't really have any marketable skill sets. There's not a whole lot that I could do to really, market to someone. So what if you're there? Well, I have some good news for you. You don't have to have any of those things, okay? Here's all you need to do. You just need to get the information together that people want. So for instance, let's say that you want to teach people about any type of thing for network marketing, okay? But you don't have any cred yet. What can you do? Well, you can either be the interviewer or the curator. So what do I mean by that? You could go contact people that have results that you're looking for and interview them and package those interviews in a video series, a podcast series, whatever, and that could be the lead magnet. So let's say you wanted to teach people about sponsoring, but you're not good at sponsoring yet. You could go find good people that are sponsoring, maybe find your upline, find people in the industry, contact them, see if you can interview them, and then record that interview, either on a video, written down, in podcast, whatever, and then sell those interviews. Hey, this is how you learn how to sponsor from 10 seven-figure earners. You're not one of the seven-figure earners, but you can still sell the product, right? What if you want to do the same thing with leadership or communication or sales funnels or marketing or ads or any of those things? You could literally do that exact same thing for any of those topics. What if you're just a curator of information? I'm going to give you I don't want to necessarily do this, but you can literally go to our podcast and transcribe all of our episodes, make a booklet out of them, and sell the booklet. That's public domain information as far as I know. I don't think there's anything wrong with that. So you could literally go do that. You could do that with anyone's podcast. Hey, this is the transcribed version of all of, the XYZ Guru's podcast. You want to learn how to do this from XYZ Guru himself? These are all of his podcast episodes transcribed in a booklet. I'll give it to you for, $10 or download it for free. Curate information. The last one I'll give you is this. There is a site out there called Gutenberg.org. It's called the public domain. Public domain means that the copyrights for these books have expired. So there's like 14 million books, I think, on there. There's a lot of books on the public domain. And after, I think, 100 years, the copyright expires by the author unless they do something different with it. So there's a lot of books there. Here's what that means. You can literally resell those books. Those books have no rights to them. So you can go download the book and you can repackage it and sell it. One of the books on there is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You could literally take the book and resell the book, Think and Grow Rich, for network marketing. You could go download the whole book and put commentary in there, like, here's a chapter on Think and Grow Rich. This is my notes on network marketing, how it applies to network marketing. You could literally have Think and Grow Rich for network marketing and sell the book. You could give it away for free as a lead magnet. The point is, you could do that with like 14 million different books on there, and it's totally legal, it's totally good. This stuff totally works. As far as I know, Russell Brunson's first seven-figure funnel came from being the interviewer, packaging information in a different way, and selling that information. That's his first seven-figure funnel. This method totally works. You don't need to be hyper credible. You just need to be a good curator or an interviewer. That's it. In fact, there's a guy named Mike Dillard. Maybe many of you know him. He's an incredibly good marketer. His second 8-figure business was called the Elevation Group. He's since sold that business, but his second 8-figure business was that business. And you know what? He wasn't an expert. He was simply the interviewer. And he told people through the marketing process, I'm not the expert here. Essentially what happened is he made a ton of money in his first business, and he spent it all kind of, he self-described it as somewhat recklessly, and he wasn't sure how to basically keep and grow his money. And so what he did is he started interviewing wealthy people that knew how to grow their money, and he formed a group called the Elevation Group, and he basically interviewed people and sold the interviews for like a membership fee of like $100 a month. And he built another 8-figure business around that. Is that pretty awesome? So hopefully you found value in this. Hopefully you know what to do now in order to create your own products. And once you create your own product, you can actually develop an automated or leveraged recruiting system around it. If you want to know how to do that, if you click the link down below, it's called MLMRebelsBlueprint.com. And it's a blueprint we put together that literally teaches you how to build the automated recruiting system from start to finish and implement it for yourself. And if you want to join the private group where we talk about nothing but this, using sales funnels and leadership for network marketing, go to MLMSalesFunnels.com. You can request to join. It's totally free. You just have to answer a few questions, and I would love to talk to you in there. Lastly, hit the like, subscribe, and comment down below, and we'll see you all very soon.